Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin with two essentials: your Aadhaar number and the mobile SIM registered with Aadhaar. Make sure the SIM is active. Open the Aadhaar app, sign in using your Aadhaar and the SMS OTP. This verifies you. Once done, enable app authentication, either device biometrics or a secure PIN, because top generation requires a trusted device binding. This step ties your identity to the phone, making Totp possible without repeated network OTPs. Next, navigate within the app to the Totp or Token Setup section, often under Manage or Security. You will verify identity again via SMS OTP. Enter it promptly because codes expire. After verification, the app generates a secure local token bound to your device, and it shows recovery tips. Store them safely. Make sure to accept permissions the app requests, since local secure storage is required. This generates time-based codes that refresh every 30 seconds for Aadhaar. To complete authentications, enter the 6-digit Totp from the Aadhaar app whenever Aadhaar asks for OTP. No network is needed to generate it. If a code is rejected, first make sure your phone clock is set to automatic network time and resync. Time drift breaks Totp. If problems persist, rerun token setup or verify your mobile number with Aadhaar. Sometimes SIM changes require re-registration. If none of that works, contact Aadhaar support or visit an Aadhaar center for assistance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.